Okay, for phonics lesson number or page 187 and 188, go ahead and grab your workbook pages and a pencil. For the first part of the workbook page, they'd like us to mark the vowels and then match the vowel sound with the letter. So they've done the first one for us. This word is cake. We have the magic E that makes the A say its name. So for the next one, let's mark the vowel. We have one vowel, so it's a short A sound, and we find the short A sound right here, and let's connect the two. All right, for this one, we have an E followed by an A. The E will say its name, and that A is silent. The word is b-eek, beak, and we have the long E sound. So there's our long E. The next one, just one vowel, short E, n-et. Net, short E sound. And the last one vowel, short I. Short I says I. The word is f-ix, fix, connected all the way to the top. There we go. All right, moving over to the right-hand side of our paper, we have this word. It has an A, magic E. The A says its name. The word is game. Let's find the long A and connect it with the word. The next one vowel, short E sound, v-et, and the short E is down here at the bottom, connecting the two. One vowel here, it will get a smile. The word is tip, it goes straight across. Down here we have a U followed by an E. The E is silent, the U says its name, it's k-u, Q. And up at the very last, we have one vowel here. This is p-ad, and we have that short A sound. All right, so for number 2, it says draw a picture for each sentence. This first sentence underneath the blue box says, Mom will smile at me. So I need to draw a picture of Mom. It's going to be a little bit tricky. Oh, the eyes are bad. Mom is going to have a big smile. There's Mom. Oh, hey, Mom. How's it going? Mom's got wonky arms. No big deal. She's got long legs because she's an amazing mom. And here is the kid, and he's got kind of a weird shaped head. That's all right. No judgment here. He's got some funky hair. And he's so happy that his mom loves him. Thanks, Mama, for loving me, because my hair is so crazy. And I have a weird eye, too. Oh, dear. And the worst thing is he has no neck. Oh, my. Hopefully your picture is a little bit better than mine. Oh, dear. The next sentence says, can he fry an egg? Well, I don't know. Can he fry an egg? Probably not, because he's 6 years old. He shouldn't be frying an egg. There's his frying pan. And here's this kid, and he's like, I'm going to fry an egg. I don't care. My mom told me to stay away from the stove, but I'm not going to listen. Should kids fry eggs? No. Maybe that's how he got that wonky eye. He was frying eggs when he shouldn't have been. Oh, all right. So that's all you need to do on 187. Let's flip our page over to 188. And here it says, circle the special sounds. All right, so special sounds are really blends. Let's remember that. They're blends, okay? And in the first one, they've circled the BL and the ST. So the second word, I see an SK, and that is a blend that says sk, sk. Two consonants that both make their sound, but they go together. All right, at the end of this word, math, I have TH, which is a digraph. These two letters, when they come together, make one sound. Math, math. It makes a whole new sound, okay? Another digraph here, SH, which says shh. And then I have the CR, which says cr, cr. Okay, this word I have SM that says sm. That's a blend, sm. You can hear the S and the M. CL says cl. I can still hear the C, I can still hear the L. It's a blend. Oh, there's CL again in claim. The last word over here was clam, one vowel. This one has two vowels. claim. There's that SM again, sm. Oop, and there's a digraph, CK. We know that CK comes at the end of a short word with a short vowel. Sm, ack, smack. Oh, here's a digraph, TH. TH says thump. And then I have the PL that says pl, the blend. Okay. For section 4, they want me to match the words that rhyme. Typically, when we have rhymes, we know that the word has the same ending letters, okay? So I have pan here, and if I look over at this column, it is linked with fan. They both end in AN. Okay, you guys see that? So the next word is vat. If I look at the two options, I have hat and I have log. Well, hat ends in that AT, just like vat. So these two go together. And then finally I have dog, and it's going to rhyme with log. Okay, coming over to the right-hand side, the first word I have is bed, ending with ED. Do you see another word that ends in ED? Yes, this middle one does. So I have bed and Ted. The next one is tack. There's that CK at the end of a short word with a short vowel. Tack, and it rhymes with sack. Tack, sack. And finally, I have hug and rug. They both end in UG, hug, rug. Okay. Number 5, write the word that completes the sentence. Okay, so they have me a sentence here and a sentence here. And then I have these words here. This is my word bank, okay? God gave us a, this word is my. Remember that Y that sometimes says I? And then this word is gift. God gave us a my or a gift. Well, God gave us a gift, not a my. My G is pretty bad, isn't it? I'm going to go up there and fix it just a little bit. Take the time to write your letters neatly so they stay on the line. If Mrs. Plowman can do it somewhat with a mouse, you guys should be able to do it with a pencil. And I only have one option left now because I used gift. So the only option left for this next sentence is my. I will help my mom. Fill in the blank with M, Y. Y is a basement word letter. It goes down to the blue line. Okay? All right. So that's all we need to do on pages 187 and 188. Good work, guys.